Bison bulldoze through the drifts. Others barely break the surface. A red fox. She's hunting for buried treasure. Voles. Hiding in tunnels beneath the snow. It won't be easy today, though. The howling wind and swirling snow are scrambling her senses. Her massive satellite ears can normally hear a vole from 100 feet away. Tilting her head from side to side, she tries to pinpoint the target using sound alone. Nope. No luck. But she won't let the weather defeat her. Time for plan B. That's B for bison. As they dig for grass, they destroy the vole's tunnels. The rebuilding work is noisy. If you got ears like a fox. Now she can get a proper fix on her target. Dinner at last. A little guile goes a long way in this land of extremes.